Hello, everyone. My name is Karen Montaña, and I'm going to show you my task 2 about the designing the teaching material with Web 2.0 tools. I want to recommend it today special tools of 2.0 tool is issue. This is a digital tool, special discovery and publishing platform that enables anyone from independent creators to global brands to distribute, measure, and monetize their digital content. Well, this tool has served as a platform for different brands because they can show their catalogs and summary of magazine and various book. For example, you can see different news magazines of sports and design, for example, or a book. Mm, we can start through Facebook or other content. Maybe we need to register as a new account. First time you register, you will see several magazines to have the options. The follow them. Look the menu in the picture. Unplug, explore, feed. This is a tool of this menu. For to start, we look for Get Started button to start using we found a menu. We can click and in upload. Look in upload. We can upload any document that is in a PDF. We can have a library. Look, this a library with several documents that are available. Use the principal menu. This tool is good because if you have many documents, for example, if you is a teacher or primary teacher, maybe you have in your computer different documents about the social science or different activities. You can use in these tools and prepare a good activity, very dynamic. We select in the menu uh, embed to sharing options in the menu. The documents can be accessed interactively and very dynamically for this activity. The presentation of this tool is very interesting, very clear for the student, and you can look different page, and it's very interactive. Yes, I hope that you found a different um, way to use these tools. Thanks for your attention, and I hope that you use these tools. Thanks for all.